Is that your new trick, Susie? You spit it all out? Oh, really? Are you trying to eat your bib? How about this? You trying to eat your bib? How about some food? Let's leave your bib and have some food. What does that mean? You're making a mess.